Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook lasagna. It is Italian dish, which I have given fusion of Indian spices. So, let's get started. First, take a pressure cooker and heat half cup oil in it. Now add 2 cup fine chopped onion. Now add 1 cup chopped garlic. Cook till it turns light brown. Now add 500 gram boneless chicken. Now add half cup tomato ketchup. Add 2 tablespoons soya sauce. Add 2 tablespoons green chili sauce. Add little water. Cover it up. Cook for 20 minutes on low flame. Now add 1 tablespoon oregano. Add 1 tablespoon black pepper. Now to prepare white sauce, take another vessel. Heat 1 cup milk. Add 2 tablespoons Maida. Keep stirring. It's important to continuously stir, or else lumps will be created. Now again add slowly 1 cup milk while keep stirring. Add 1 tablespoon oregano. Add 1 tablespoon black pepper. Add salt as per taste. Now add 2 cubes of cheese. Add little milk if white sauce is too thick. Now as all ingredients are ready, we will layer it and bake it in oven. Take a microwave-friendly bowl. Add a layer of cooked chicken. Now add a layer of white sauce. Now add pasta sheets. It is available in market. Add grated cheese. Add cabbage. Add capsicum. Add coriander leaves. Repeat these layering process. Remember, you don't need to follow the same layering sequence. You can do as you wish. Lasagna is ready to bake. Bake on high temperature for 5 minutes. Cheese is completely melted. And there you have it. Delicious lasagna is ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and be sure to give it a try. If you like my recipe, please give a like and leave suggestions in comment. Thanks for watching.